Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus UX8406M. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus UX8406M won't turn on, it can be frustrating and alarming. This issue often arises from a short circuit on the motherboard or a faulty power supply. If not addressed promptly, it can lead to more severe damage, possibly rendering your device unusable. To fix this issue, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement power supply if necessary. Firstly, ensure you power off your device and disconnect it from any power source. Use the plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the casing of the Asus UX8406M. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips around the edges. Once opened, you can locate the motherboard, which is typically situated towards the center of the device. Inspect for any signs of burnt components or damaged circuitry, particularly around the power connectors. If you identify a faulty power supply, gently disconnect the cables connected to it, taking note of their positions for reassembly. Remember to handle all components with care, as they can be delicate. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the power supply. Apply gentle force, ensuring not to strip the screws. After removing the screws, carefully lift out the power supply. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, place the new power supply in the same position as the old one and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the cables, making sure they are firmly seated in their connectors. Before closing the device, it's prudent to reassemble the casing loosely and power it on to check if it functions correctly. If all goes well, switch it off and proceed to close the casing securely, ensuring that all clips are in place and no gaps remain. For prevention, make sure to avoid exposing your device to moisture and regularly clean the vents to prevent overheating. Keeping your software updated can also help to avoid potential issues. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.